Please, stop. What do you mean?
Stop. Get control of her.
I'm not even doing anything.
Okay, stop.
No,
Enough.
I'm not even doing this.
Stop. Get in the car.
On December 27th, 2024, at 4:17 p.m., police responded to a chaotic multi-vehicle hit-and-run, only to find an intoxicated driver trying to walk away from the wreckage.
You trying to fight us?
What's going on? Can you put it apart?
Yeah, I did. I just did.
Okay.
What's going on?
My brother, look at
Turn off the car and get out of the car.
No, I have to get my brother his car. This is my brother's car.
This is your brother's car?
Yeah,
Where are you going?
I just got for work. It's Amazon. And
Okay, where are you at?
I'm right here.
Okay, you guys.
Sideswiped us.
Okay, just these two cars. That's it.
This car, he ran into that car there. She ran into that car there.
So these three cars. Okay.
And they come approach me. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, I'm trying to go home. Like, I promise you, I'm trying to go home.
You're trying to go home? What happened? You hit that truck?
No, I never did. Follow me, girl. Please, follow me.
I'm not following you. No.
I promise you. I never did nothing wrong.
Give me your license.
It's my brother's car.
I don't care. I need your license.
I don't have my license.
I need your license.
My brother has my car.
You don't have your license on you?
No, it's my brother's car.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to go home.
Look at me. You're not free to leave. You're in a collision. Turn off the car right now. Okay. Unbuckle your seatbelt. I'm telling you, I'm not asking. Get out of the car.
Just leave your bag. Leave your bag.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Just leave your bag behind.
It is unsafe for you to be right here.
What should I do?
I just want you to stand over there.
Should I go to my parents?
Stand over there on the sidewalk.
Stand over there. Okay, stand over here. Why you keep getting close to me? Stand
I'm trying to... Hello?
Are you seeing what I'm... No, hang on. What are you doing? Chill. Stand over
Hey,
there.
tell Jonah to come take his car.
Okay, can you stand over there for me? I need to talk to you.
You're
gonna take this off.
No, it's my son. It's my son.
I'm
Hey,
talking
that's
to
my
you.
son.
You're gonna stand right there. You
That's
got
my
it?
son.
I don't care.
That's my son. Okay. It's my son. Please.
Stand right here.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Well, of course I do.
In fact, can you grab that for us?
Yeah.
You guys aren't hurt at all, are you?
No,
Are you okay?
Here, ma'am. You're standing right
I
here.
was never just...
Okay, I'm talking to you.
But when you talk
Are you gonna listen to me? You got
You
it?
say my son, I couldn't.
No, your son is not involved in this. Why do you have to talk to
No,
him?
stop. Because he called me.
Okay, that doesn't matter right now. Right now we're focused right here. Got it?
Okay, so can you just tell me briefly what happened?
So I was just seeing that the light was going to turn red already. Had a guy in turn on my lights and everything. I seen in my rearview mirror that this car was kind of like slowly getting close.
Slow rolling?
Yeah, but I could see him kind of coming at a speed, and I thought she was going to stop.
No, my son called me.
You're not gonna call him back. You're not gonna call him back. You're gonna talk to me. Got it? Right now it's just you and I. Got it? Do you want to volunteer to do field sobriety tests?
That's my brother's car.
I don't care who cars it is.
I can't do nothing about it. That's my brother's car.
Ma'am?
What?
Stop. You're gonna stand right there where I told you to stand. Got it?
Please, stop. What do you mean?
Get control of her.
I'm not even doing anything.
Okay, stop.
No,
Enough.
I'm not even doing this. Car, move.
Stop. Get in the car. Hey, right now you're detained. You're not free to
I'm
leave.
literally not even doing anything.
Okay, well stop moving your arm then. Stop
That's
it.
her.
Yeah.
And then I saw her kind of break in front of me or behind me, and then she just rammed her friend into my back, and then I just saw that they were kind of at a dispute, and she started pressing her car into my car, jamming her.
Like she was trying to
Yeah,
go. Okay.
he was trying to get her out the car.
I don't understand what I'm doing wrong.
Hey, ma'am. I know you're being detained.
I know I am. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong. I feel like I didn't do anything wrong. That's my brother's car, and he's gonna be mad at me. Like I
What
did
you're doing
something
wrong
wrong.
is you're moving.
I have pain in my right knee here, and then double here, and real.
Did you already have pain on your leg, or is it from this?
Oh no!
No, let's run this.
I got pinned between the two cars.
What's your name? What's your name?
Doesn't matter.
I mean, if we're gonna have a conversation, I want to know your
You
name.
wanna help me out? No, it won't.
She hit him, and she backed up, and I came up beside her and told her to get her ass out of the car. And she opened the car. The car door wasn't locked, so I pulled it open. And she backed up a little. She backed up a little bit, and then she put it in gear forward, and she was standing in front of her, which she shouldn't have done. And that's what happened.
So wait, were you hit by this car?
Yes.
When'd you get signed?
Oh, why? What's going on?
You are under arrest for driving under the influence.
Okay, yeah, let's
Into
have
his car.
fire. Let's have fire come check you out. Okay? Is that okay? Are you sure? It's up to you, but I didn't know if like you were still in the car, but the fact that you may have physically been hit.
No, I was
sure?
just in between. He moved forward so I could get out.
Okay, if you do change your mind, let us know. Okay? But I am gonna grab your
I should just get up
information.
and try to walk a little bit.
Okay. All right.
Oh, tell my brother. My dad. That's my dad. That's my dad. My dad, please. No. Please tell me.
All right, let's go.
She's under arrest at this point, okay? She's intoxicated. Are you
She's hurt.
I'm hurt.
Okay.
I don't care about me. Call my brother.
Call your
Call my brother.
What's your brother's name?
His name is Damian.
Damian. Okay, all right. Hang tight. Watch your knees, watch your knees.
Call him. Call Damian.
Hey, put your knee inside. Put your knee inside.
Call Damian.
You're gonna put your knee inside, and then I'll call him after you put your knee inside.
Call him now.
No, you're not gonna tell me
Call
what
my
to do.
brother
You're not
Damian.
gonna tell me what to do. You're gonna put your knee
Call my
inside.
brother Damian.
No.
Call my brother Damian. Call my brother Damian. Call my brother Damian, please.
That's first.
The arrest escalated into a violent struggle as Kayla repeatedly kicked at the cruiser and screamed about her religion, ultimately facing felony DUI charges due to having 3 prior convictions.
She's trying to leave, bro. She's trying to leave.
Yeah?
She's like actively trying to like leave through the traffic, and the dude stops her. He's like, "What are you doing?" And then like sees us. She wouldn't get out of the car, and I told her like, "Get out of the car." And then she tries to walk away. I'm pretty with my brother's house. I'm like, nah.
Are you parents or parent? Okay, cool. So what I can tell you is she was trying to move somewhere, backs up, hits one car, goes forward, hits another car. Both drivers get out.
Yeah, I smelled it super strong.
Oh, dude, see it in the car. It's just like late. When she got out, she was sloppy. Sloppy,
I think it might be and then I don't want to say too much, but when she moved forward, she hit somebody. As of right now, we're leaving the car as is till we get that key.
Okay, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Where I live.
Can you just hold off and just listen for a second? Thank you.
I left to get married.
Okay, so we can move the car. But he's the registered owner. Okay.
Okay, so
Where I live.
I'm not gonna give you a chance to talk until I'm done reading.
Hey, just hang on. Let her read the rights real quick. Just read it.
Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
You have the right.
I can't hear you. Like, I can't hear you.
All right, because you can't hear me.
Open the door.
Just go sit
Open the door, please.
Yeah, I will. Well, are you gonna kick if as soon as
I'm not. I want to kick. I'm just gonna go.
Okay. Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
I'm like literally talking right next to you. Nope, you're kicking the door again. You're kicking the door again. Let's go.
I can't hear you.
All right.
And my brother's gonna be mad at me. My dad's gonna be mad at me.
Look at me.
No, my family, they're gonna kill me.
My Bodycam is on and it's recording you right now.
Let's go. Okay, my family will kill me.
Okay, we can make sure that doesn't happen, but right now you're
go
still
to my place.
Okay.
Please drive to my
Look at me.
family's
Look at me.
house, please.
Look at me.
Please. Please let me go. I will never run. I promise you, I will never
I'm not
run.
letting you go, ma'am. Okay, you're
Why
under
not
arrest for
run?
DUI, okay? I'm trying to read you your rights.
I didn't DUI. I didn't run. I didn't drive anything.
You weren't driving?
No, I wasn't.
But I contacted you in the car.
Because I was in the car, but I'm not driving.
Let me read you your rights again. You have the right at this time, okay? Look at me. Look at me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand? He said you would talk to us about what happened? Okay, there you go. All right. It's just ridiculous. Okay.
I have a whole apartment. I have a whole house. I have a whole son. Please.
Following her arrest on December 24, 2024, Kayla was transported to the county jail for booking, where her combative and belligerent behavior persisted. Her attempts to walk away from the multi-vehicle crash scene and her subsequent physical resistance during loading were fully captured on body camera footage, providing the prosecution with overwhelming evidence of obstruction. Because this incident marked her 4th drunk driving offense, the state upgraded the charges to a felony DUI under repeat offender statutes. In court, the judge took into account her extensive history of prior convictions and the immediate danger she posed to the public by attempting to flee a multi-vehicle accident. Kayla was denied a low bond and was ultimately sentenced to a substantial term in state prison, followed by extended court-ordered electronic monitoring and alcohol treatment. Additionally, her driver's license was permanently revoked. This afternoon incident stands as a stark example of how habitual impaired driving inevitably escalates into severe, life-altering felony convictions. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.